Hello students, now we are going to discuss comparative study of ISC Mathematics class 11 reduced syllabus with the previous syllabus. As far as we are concerned about the question paper of 2021, the whole paper will be divided into three parts: Section A, Section B and Section C. Section A will be of 65 marks and this is compulsory for all the students. Section B and Section C will be of 15 marks and the students have to select any one section from the Section B and Section C. As far as we are concerned about Section A, so many topics excluded from the previous syllabus, and not only the chapter but subtopics also inside the chapter excluded from the previous chapter, and that is why the students are getting confused that which subtopic is not there in the reduced syllabus. This way, hope you will understand in a right way that which topics are not there in the reduced syllabus. Now, first topic, sets and functions. In sets and functions, the first chapter, that is sets. In sets, nothing is excluded from the previous syllabus. Means in sets, whatever there in the previous syllabus, that will be the same for reduced syllabus. And for second, relation and function, in this chapter, 5 topics are excluded from the previous syllabus. First one, real valued function will not be there for the students who are going to appear in 2021. Second, domain and range of these functions excluded. Third one, these are certain functions and their graphs as constant, identity, polynomial, rational, modulus, signum function, exponential function, logarithmic function, greatest integer functions with their graphs are excluded from the previous syllabus. Now, fourth topic, that is sum, difference, product and quotient of functions are excluded from the previous syllabus. Now, fifth one, sketches of all graphs like exponential functions, logarithmic function, modulus function, step function and rational functions will not be there in the reduced syllabus. Okay. Now the third topic, trigonometric function. First, angles and arc length. This chapter completely excluded from the previous syllabus. Not any topic of this chapter will be there in the present syllabus. Second one, graphs of simple trigonometric functions. Sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x, cosec x will not be there in the reduced syllabus. Third one, trigonometric equation. This chapter completely excluded from the previous syllabus. Though this is very important chapter, but this is excluded completely because of this pandemic. And the fourth one also, properties of triangle. This chapter also completely excluded from the previous syllabus. Both the chapters, all these three chapters, angles and arc length, trigonometric equations and properties of triangles, these three chapters completely excluded from the previous syllabus. Now on the next one, that is algebra. In algebra, inequalities of algebraic functions that we were studying in mathematical induction. This is excluded from the previous syllabus. Inequalities of algebraic expression from mathematical induction. Second one, locus questions on complex numbers and triangle inequality in complex number. These two subtopics excluded from the chapter complex number. Third one, equations reducible to quadratic form. This is one very important subtopic in the chapter quadratic equation. This is excluded from the previous syllabus. Now fourth one, linear inequalities. This chapter completely excluded from the previous syllabus. And though you already studied some of the concepts of linear inequalities in class 10th, and that is not as much required as we understand. Now fifth one, circular permutation. Clockwise, counterclockwise, distinguishable, not distinguishable, and mixed problems on permutations and combinations. These subtopics excluded from the chapter permutations and combination from the previous syllabus. Now, nothing is excluded from the chapter binomial theorem. All the topics will remain as it is. Now, come on the sequence and series. In sequence and series, arithmetic geometric series, identifying series as AGP, when we substitute D is equal to 0 in the series, we get a GP, and when we substitute R is equal to 1, the AP. This is excluded from the chapter sequence and series. One more topic, that is special sums. Sigma n square, sigma n cube are still there in the reduced syllabus, but using these summations to sum up other related expressions are excluded from the syllabus. It means as a whole these subtopics excluded from the chapter sequence and series. Now next topic, calculus. We are studying limits and derivatives, two chapters, but from the chapter limits there are two subtopics, that is limits involving exponential and logarithmic function, excluded from the previous syllabus, and second subtopic from the chapter limits, indeterminate forms, excluded from the previous syllabus. As far as we are concerned about fifth unit, actually in section A we are studying as a whole 5 units, and in the last one, that is fifth unit, is related to statistics and probability. In statistics, analysis of frequency distribution with equal means but difference variances excluded from the previous syllabus. Second subtopic, that is mean deviation about median, excluded from the previous syllabus, though mean deviation about mean is still there in the current syllabus. Third subtopic, that is median and mode of grouped and ungrouped data, excluded from the previous syllabus, but mean of grouped and ungrouped data is still there in the current syllabus. And this is all about section A. All these 5 topics, 5 units will carry 65 marks. Now we are going to start section B. Coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, till date we are studying 2 chapters, straight lines and circles. From the chapter straight lines, 7 subtopics excluded from the previous syllabus. First one, slope or gradient of a line. Second one, condition of perpendicularity and parallelism, excluded from the previous syllabus, though you already studied these two subtopics in class 10 in detail, and that is why this topic is not required here. Third topic, or you can say subtopic from the chapter straight line, various forms of equation of lines. Fourth subtopic, slope intercept form, this also you studied in class 10. And fifth subtopic, 2-point slope form, this also studied in class 10. These four subtopics from the chapter straight lines excluded from the previous syllabus, though these topics are not as important as required for the students. And now the sixth topic which is excluded from the previous syllabus is equation of family of lines. And seventh topic, equation of a locus. This is very important topic in the chapter straight line, but because of this pandemic, this is excluded from the previous syllabus. So as a whole, 7 subtopics excluded from the chapter straight line. Now second chapter in coordinate geometry, circle. From circle, only tangents, that is condition of tangency and equation of tangent to a circle, excluded from the previous syllabus. Now next topic, calculus. We are studying limits and derivatives, 2 chapters, but from the chapter limits there are two subtopics, that is limits involving exponential and logarithmic function, excluded from the previous syllabus. And second subtopic from the chapter limits, indeterminate forms, excluded from the previous syllabus. As far as we are concerned about 5th unit, actually in section A we are studying as a whole 5 units, and in the last one, that is 5th unit, is related to statistics and probability. In statistics, analysis of frequency distribution with equal means but difference variances, excluded from the previous syllabus. Second subtopic, that is mean deviation about median, excluded from the previous syllabus, though mean deviation about mean is still there in the current syllabus. Third subtopic, that is median and mode of grouped and ungrouped data, excluded from the previous syllabus, but mean of grouped and ungrouped data is still there in the current syllabus. And this is all about section A. All these 5 topics, 5 units will carry 65 marks. Now we are going to start section B. In section B, as a whole, we are studying 3 chapters: conic section, introduction to 3-dimensional geometry, and mathematical reasoning till date. From the chapter conic section, 4 subtopics excluded from the reduced from the previous syllabus. That is, first one, parabola of the type y minus beta whole square plus minus is equal to plus minus 4a x minus alpha, and x minus alpha whole square is equal to plus minus 4a y minus beta. These 2 types of parabola will not be there in the reduced syllabus. Second subtopic which is excluded from the chapter conic section, that is ellipse of the type x minus alpha whole square upon a square plus y minus beta whole square upon b square is equal to 1. This is excluded from the previous syllabus. And third subtopic, hyperbola of the type x minus alpha whole square upon a square minus y minus beta whole square upon b square is equal to 1, excluded from the previous syllabus. And fourth subtopic from the chapter conic section, that is condition that the line y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the conics, general equation of tangents, point of contact, and locus problem. All these topics were very important, but this is excluded from the previous syllabus. And this means as a whole from conics, so many important things excluded from the previous syllabus. Now in the chapter Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry, nothing is excluded. All the topics will remain as it is. Now the 8th chapter, that is Mathematical Reasoning, only one topic, that is validating the statements involving the connecting words, excluded from the previous syllabus. Now this is all about section C. Students are advised to do whether section B or section C. Both the section will carry 15 marks and they are getting choice of one section as a whole. Now section C. In section C, we are studying 4 chapters, that is statistics, correlation analysis, index number, and moving averages. From the chapter statistics, 3 subtopics excluded from the previous syllabus, that is deciles, second percentiles, and the last one from the statistics, that is mode of grouped and ungrouped data, excluded from the previous syllabus. That is why 3 important topics as deciles, percentiles, and mode of grouped and ungrouped data excluded from the chapter statistics. Now 10th chapter, that is correlation analysis, only one topic which is last topic in this chapter, that is rank correlation by Spearman's, excluded from the previous syllabus. And from the chapter index number, nothing is excluded. All the things will remain as it is. And in the last chapter moving averages, only one thing, that is if the period is even, then the centered moving average is to be found out and plotted, excluded from the previous syllabus. This is all about description or the study of class 11 reduced syllabus with respect to previous syllabus. You can download the PDF from the link in description. Thank you.